Hello guys, Ravi here. Today we are going to learn about encapsulation in Java. What is encapsulation and how we can achieve that. So let's start. So what is the encapsulation? So encapsulation in Java is a process of wrapping a data and code together into a single unit. That means like treating as in a single package that can be accessible from outside of your class. In encapsulation, variable of a class will be hidden from other class, so it will give you a more control what is going to store in your data on your variable, and if you want to perform some pre-operation or post-operation before storing any variable or before accessing any method, you can achieve that using encapsulation. The variable class will be hidden from other class and can be accessed through the method of that current class, that is like setGetter method. And as these variables are hiding from other things, it is known as a data hiding. The advantage of encapsulation is like it improved maintainability, flexibility, and reusability. The fields can be made a read only or a write only, so the class have a total control over what is going to store. The next thing is like a user would not be knowing like what is going behind the scene when user call any setter or getter method for any setting or retrieving your variable. So let's take an example. Here I have a student class and I have two variable, that is a name and age, and I provide a setter getter method for those variables. So I just created a simple Pojo class, plain old Java object class, and in this encapsulation example class I create an object of student and I just set the name and I just get the name. So here you can see before rather than directly accessing the age or name, like this way, as dot name is equal to whatever you want to say, ABC, I have provided a setter method and getter method. Why? Because if I allow to do this, then I don't know like what is going with that variable. It might possible something is some object is getting changed without knowing the other effect. Like if this class make this variable as a null, and the next line if it try to call some method on that object, it might break your code. So these are the possibilities, or these are the failures that might came to picture without encapsulation. So ideally, it recommended to make your variable as a private and make a set getter method for accessing them. So here I do like I create a set name. So I set the name of that student, and on a get method, I just call that get name method. So if I run this example, I get whatever the name I set over here. The same way I can set the age, I can get the age, any variable defined inside that I can use using that setGetter method. So what is a private, public, and other access modifier we will cover in the next session. Yeah, that's it from encapsulation. We will cover access modifiers and how to use that access modifier in next session. Thank you for watching.